Welcome all. If you ever need a break from your routine life, come visit us in Kodaikanal. Sipa's Hideout, a cozy villa located just 5 kilometers away from the Kodaikanal lake, in a village called Vilpatti. This place can accommodate a family or a group of friends from 2 up to 8 people. At the entrance you are welcomed by a spacious reception room with a sofa, TV and several wall hangings. The TV is connected with satellite box and also has a Chromecast attached where you can cast your favorite movies and shows to the TV from your phone. From the hall, let's now move on to the glass conservatory. This a very cozy place to keep yourself warm throughout the day. The views from the conservatory is breathtaking. It's an ideal place to have a nice cup of coffee or hang out with friends and family during any part of the day. This small sit-out is a great place to enjoy the views, making you feel as one with the nature around you. You can admire the ever-changing beautiful landscape around you. From here, you can see the views constantly changing around you through rain, mist, overcast and sun throughout the entire day. The way in which the mist and clouds moves around you and the valley is so mesmerizing and you can watch it all day. After sunset, turn on the star lights in the glass conservatory to make you feel like you're in the galaxy. The glass conservatory is also a great place to sit indoors during the evenings and watch the surroundings at night. Now let's go back to the reception room again. There is a small wooden cabinet next to the sofa. You can find extra pillows and comforters where you can turn the sofa into a queen-size bed at night if required. Let's go downstairs. To the left of the stairs there is a huge glass window where we can view the Vilpatti village. There's a beautiful hall hanging in front of you. Further down the stairs and to the right there is a wall shelf filled with small and beautiful artifacts. At the bottom of the stairs there is a small sofa, where you can sit and eat whilst cooking in the kitchen. This area is the center of the house connecting all the rooms in the basement floor. Now let's go to see the family or master bedroom. This bedroom is designed to accommodate up to 4 adults. The ambience of the room is very soothing to the eye. The bedroom offers a king-size bed along with 2 bunk beds with an ensuite bathroom. There is a spacious wardrobe, dressing table and a lampshade for the guest to use. In this wardrobe there will always be extra pillows and comforters which can be used by guests if required. The bunk beds are one of the favorites amongst the kids. Now let's go back to the hall and kitchen area. To your left there's an outdoor dining area. This is an ideal place to have breakfast or chill out with friends or even read a book. You can either cook your own food or order from one of our local caterers. This is a great place to enjoy your food whilst enjoying the breathtaking views of the valley. The sit-out is surrounded by lush greens and beautiful flowers. Most guests use this place to read a book or even connect their laptop and work from home using our fiber broadband. This outdoor dining area offers great views of the Vilpatti village in the valley below us. Let's go back into the kitchen. This is fully a functional kitchen which is well equipped with all important amenities like kettle, toaster, microwave and a large-size refrigerator and freezer. There's also a 4-burner gas stove. All utensils required for cooking is well cleaned and stocked in the cabinets around the kitchen. The kitchen also offers great views of the valley, making it an ideal place to chill out while you prepare your food. If you decide to cook your own food, you're welcome to get your own groceries and use all our utensils. Please make sure to wash your vessels before you check out. If you need help getting the groceries, please contact the caretaker to arrange the same. Now, let's go to the most liked place of the property. This is our special valley view bedroom and the most sought-out place for couples. The wall facing the valley view is made up of a glass sliding door, offering great views from the comfort of your bed. It is also fitted with blackout curtains to prevent light coming through so you can have a great sleep. You can also open up the curtains at night and stargaze while lying on your bed. The room interiors are contemporary and well presented. There is also a wardrobe, dressing table and a lampshade for the guest to use. There is always extra comforters and pillows in the wardrobe for guests to use. This bedroom also has an ensuite bathroom, giving couples complete privacy from the rest of the house. Once you slide the glass door open, you will be presented with a small beautiful private balcony. Couples can privately soak themselves with the mesmerizing views of mountains and villages throughout the valley. This balcony is also a great place to view the rear garden and lawn of the property. On a clear morning, you would be able to view the Kurungi and of our temple Gopuram from here. Now let's go back inside the property. The house is well maintained and beautifully presented at all times. The caretaker would visit the property each morning to pick up the garbage and fill fresh water in the overhead tanks. If you need to use the washing machine during your stay, please contact the caretaker for the same. Now let's go to rear part of the house through the glass door in the kitchen. This is a small balcony from where you can see the multiple layers of our garden. The garden is surrounded with various flowers and plants throughout the year. You can view our rose garden, outdoor dining area and the rear garden with lawn from here. This is also an ideal place for a morning coffee. Now let's go further down through the stairs to the rear garden and lawn area. At the bottom of the stairs, we have a beautiful vertical wall garden which is presented with various plants throughout the year. Our grass lawn is the perfect and ideal spot to chill out and spend time with your friends and family. The grass lawn is a very popular place for kids to play. It is also a private place to lie down in the lawn and soak yourself in the sun amongst the cold weather. If you would like to enjoy an evening around the campfire or have your own private barbecue party, please contact the caretaker to arrange the same weather permitting. There's additional garden chairs along with wooden stools in our campfire and barbecue area so you can chill out and enjoy the views from our garden. There's an additional washroom near the lawn which can be used whilst you hang out in the garden. For further information about booking this place, please call or WhatsApp the numbers displayed on your screen. Alternatively, you can also visit our website for more details. Thank you for watching.